Good morning, Columbia Project teachers. This is Heather, and I'm thrilled to be here with you today. Welcome back. We are so excited to get started with your project, and I just had about 2 minutes that I wanted to share just a couple of key things with you this morning. We always want you to feel supported, and so remember that Padlet that Sarah set up for you. It is your CPS Wonders wall, has lots of great information and documents on there, but most importantly right now, there's your CPS Project Google Doc. And so if you click into that Google Doc, remember it is live and funny because this didn't happen about 2 seconds ago when I clicked into it. So right now I will be going in to try to answer these questions. So when you go in here, type in, be as specific as possible, your grade, your unit week, date. If you have celebrations, awesome. But this is where you can get the quickest help. Sarah, Janet, and I will be going in here to answer these as soon as possible. And I'm going to go back in here very soon because that was not there about 1 minute ago. So the other thing I want to remind you, in the digital site, this is most specifically for grade 1. So if your grade 1 colleagues are having trouble, this is what they need to remember. If you are going in and teaching and excited about your presentation, but you're not seeing anything for Start Smart grade 1 teachers, that's because your planner option of the core pathway is on. So go into your plan, your weekly planner, click on planner options, see how everything is grayed out here, and turn that core pathway off for now, because technically, and though not in this situation, the Start Smart is considered optional in years to come in grade 1 only, and so it will go into your planner, core planner options, and turn it off. So now when I go back, your launch presentation is on and you'll have everything right there. So I just wanted to hit on that. Turn your core planner off if you're not seeing your resources. Don't forget that Wonders Google Doc. I'm going to go back in right now and get to those questions. Please reach out. We are super excited to get going and to hear from you. Let us know your celebrations too. Have a great first couple of days and weeks, and we hope to talk to you soon. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.